Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming device type and accessibility state. This matters because inversion is applied differently. Open Settings, go straight to Accessibility or Display, do not delay. Disable obvious overlays like Night Light or True Tone first, then toggle any color filter options off. Once done, make sure Contrast or Display profiles are set to default. That prevents automatic inversion. If you have external monitors, check their onboard menus too. Sometimes inversion originates from the monitor, not the OS. Now dig into color profiles and drivers. Open Color Management or Display Color Settings and set sRGB or the factory default profile, because a wrong profile causes hue shifts. Next, inspect every accessibility toggle, color inversion, color filters, and high contrast, turning them off one by one to isolate the cause. Also update or roll back GPU drivers. Faulty or recent driver installs often change color handling. Once done, reboot to apply profile and driver changes so you can verify normal color render. Finish by restarting your device and any external displays. This clears cached settings and ensures changes persist. Then open multiple apps to verify colors consistently render. If inversion remains, reset display settings to factory defaults to eliminate hidden profiles. Make sure to test in a clean environment, create a new user account, or boot into safe mode, because that isolates software conflicts. If colors are fixed in that environment, you know a third-party app or extension is the culprit. Remove recent installs until the inversion disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.